Dr. Sajid once again talking about the effects of floods on children. The flooding obviously causes a risk for drowning or almost drowning or near drowning, as we call it. Also, there is a risk of injuries from the debris, from the glass, from the building material, etc., that may be present within the water from collapsed housing or structures. There is a risk of electrocution, some wires being present underwater that may still have electricity, and along with that there are hazards of if the water is very cold, affecting the child adversely. Now sometimes, depending on where you are, there can be chemical contamination, especially if you're close to a factory or industry, and that can also cause difficulties and problems. The commonest, however, is the problems with the skin, such as a skin infection or burns, etc., and skin infections are fairly common. The others that we worry about are infections because of unclean water, and also because of not getting proper water to drink. And this is usually intestinal infections such as typhoid, hepatitis A and E, and diarrhea, the severest form of which is cholera, but others such as bloody diarrhea and watery diarrhea. So infections are the big problem, and one should be very, very careful about this. Occasional cases of tetanus may occur, primarily because of the injury and also because of the flooding. These are problems that need to be taken care of, and the trick with skin infections, etc., is to wash them with clean water, and with infections of the intestinal tract, to keep washing hands if possible, and also to make sure that you get clean drinking water, which can be the best would be to boil it. Lastly, it causes a lot of stress, and there can be mental stress, and the child may exhibit symptoms due to this stress, and this may pose a long-term problem. So flooding is a very difficult situation for everybody. It is difficult for grown-ups as well as children, but for children it carries a special risk. So those of you who are in the area or trying to help them, these are conditions that you should be aware of. I hope this was of some help to you. I'll come back with another topic.